This script just used GPT-4 to debug a failed Playwright test using the official OpenAI SDK. But do you want to know my token cost for this execution? Exactly $0. I routed it through a free feature built directly into your standard GitHub account. Today, I'll show you how to add this to your codebase so you can prototype with GPT-4, Llama, DeepSeek completely for free. Normally, testing different AI models is a massive headache. You have to manage different SDKs, track a dozen API keys, and monitor billing across OpenAI, Anthropic, and DeepSeek. GitHub Models changes that. It gives you a single endpoint that acts exactly like the OpenAI SDK. Take a look at the code. This is the standard OpenAI client code, which means it plugs right into LangGraph, Crew AI, or whatever custom pipeline you've built. To bypass the billing, we just changed two things. We point the base URL to Microsoft's Azure hosted GitHub server, and we pass a personal GitHub token instead of an OpenAI key. To test this, I've hard-coded a raw Playwright timeout error. We pass that into the messages array and ask GPT to analyze it. When we run it, the model accurately catches that the target button was disabled. But the real advantage here is the flexibility. If you want to test how a different model handles this exact log, you don't need to rewrite your logic or set up a new provider account. Just swap the model string from GPT to DeepSeek and execute the script again. The backend handles the routing automatically, making A/B testing for your local agents highly efficient. To make this work, go to your GitHub developer settings and create a fine-grained personal access token. Do not select the repository permissions here, just click on the account permissions. Find the models drop-down and set it to read-only. Generate the token, save it as your GitHub token environment variable, and your script is ready to run. Now, to be completely transparent, there are limits. This free tier is built strictly for local development, prototyping, and CI testing. GitHub enforces rate limits based on the model tier. Heavy models like GPT-4 share a pool of 50 requests per day. Smaller models like GPT-4 Mini have a separate bucket of 150 requests per day. The repository link is in the description. Clone it down and start prototyping. If you want more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Playwright, MCP, and AI agents, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you're building in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy learning!